Hi everyone, my name is Felicia Lobo and I am a co-artistic director of Insomnium Theater Company. Lauren Harris and I started this company to produce dark, mystical theater that keeps you up at night. I am directing our first production, The Love of the Nightingale by Timberlake Morton Baker. This is an incredible feminist modern Greek play that uses myth to look at the silencing of women and the silencing of countries. It takes a glaring look at the violence that swells in its wake, and then it demands change. That's why this play needs to be performed right now. There are people all over the world and right on your block that are being told to be quiet. Our voices are the most powerful tool we possess to question society and to incite change when it's needed. That's what this play is about. We have assembled a team of 16 actors and a crew of 11. We have reimagined this play to use original music and choreography to create a visceral experience. All 27 people on this project are giving their time and creativity to put on a play of weight that defies gravity. We have our team, we have our cast, and now we need you. We are asking for donations to bring this play to life. All your donations will go to supporting the rights, getting our space, finding costumes, and building props. Please consider donating whatever you can. Every dollar goes to the production. And if you cannot donate at this time, then please just share the video. On behalf of our team and myself, thank you.